So let's talk about the best food to prevent polyps, okay? What is a polyp? Well, it's an abnormal tissue. And I want to teach you a new word, pedunculated. Okay, pedunculated means that it has a little bit of a stem growing off of something. Like in your colon, you have these little stems or stalks that can grow. That's what a polyp is. Go ahead and say it with me, pedunculated. So now you can tell your friends and family that a polyp is a pedunculated tissue in your colon. Certain polyps have a higher risk of colon cancer. Hands down, the best type of food to help prevent the growth of polyps would be sauerkraut or pickled vegetables. Why? Because they contain lactic acid bacteria, and Lactobacillus is one type of lactic acid bacteria. It's a specific bacteria that is L+, okay? So sauerkraut has this version and these properties. It inhibits pathogens. It's an antioxidant. It's an anti-inflammatory. Because when you have inflammation in your colon, that by itself can stimulate tumor growth. Also, this bacteria helps to tight junctions in your colon, so it can prevent leaky gut. Also, this friendly bacteria binds to carcinogens, which are things that cause cancer. It will also decrease mutations and decrease pre-cancer growth. The benefits of sauerkraut or pickled vegetables is that you not only have the probiotic, you have the prebiotic, the fiber, which then feeds the microbe. It makes short-chain fatty acids, one being butyrate, which then can reduce the stimulation of tumors, polyps, and decrease inflammation. Now, you don't need a tremendous amount, but through the week, I would definitely include either sauerkraut or pickled vegetables in your diet. Thanks for watching.
Hey, we're back.
With another amazing recipe.
No grains, no sugar, totally keto. There's no suffering in keto.
Absolutely not, Karen.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely. You have to check this out.
I think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself. It's just so easy to be keto.
But is it simple?
It's super simple. We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.